back to our exploration of the internal factors that shape consumer behavior. In our last lecture, we discussed the powerful role of motivation and needs in driving our choices. Today, we delve into the fascinating world of perception and information processing, exploring how we interpret and make sense of the constant barrage of stimuli we encounter in our daily lives. Perception. Perception is the process by which we select, organize, and interpret information from our environment. It is how we make sense of the world around us, from the taste of our morning coffee to the sound of our favorite song. Our perceptions are not always accurate or objective. They're influenced by our individual experiences, beliefs, values, and cultural backgrounds. Now, information processing refers to the series of mental operations we perform on the information we perceive. It involves several stages, including exposure, attention, comprehension, and retention. Exposure. Exposure is the initial contact with the stimuli, such as seeing an advertisement or hearing a jingle. Not all stimuli we encounter receive our attention. We often filter out information that is irrelevant or uninteresting. Attention. This is the allocation of mental resources to a particular stimulus. It is what allows us to focus on a specific information while filtering out the rest. Our attention is limited, and we're constantly bombarded with competing stimuli vying for our attention. Comprehension. This is the process of understanding and interpreting the meaning of stimulus. It involves drawing on our existing knowledge and experience to make sense of the information we receive. Retention. This is the storage of information in memory for later retrieval. Not all information we perceive is retained. We often forget details that are not important or meaningful to us. The way we perceive information has a profound impact on our consumer behavior. Our perceptions influence our attitudes, beliefs, and preferences, ultimately shaping our choices. Marketers understand this and often employ various strategies to influence our perceptions, such as vivid imagery, catchy slogans, and celebrity endorsements. Understanding how consumers perceive and process information is crucial for businesses. By tailoring their marketing messages and product design to appeal to the senses and cognitive processes of the target audience, businesses can create more effective campaigns and products that resonate with the consumers on a deeper level. In our next lecture, we'll continue our exploration of internal influences on consumer behavior by focusing on learning and memory, two critical processes that shape our preferences and choices over time.